If you are raising chickens and bitterly watching feed costs drain every last penny from your wallet, then this is the most brutal truth you will ever hear. Feed costs have tripled since 2020, and a massive chunk of your money goes straight into those bags. But the absurd reality is that there is a completely free plant that doubles its size every 72 hours and contains a massive amount of protein that easily destroys commercial grains. It does not cost you a single cent to grow. It requires no soil and absolutely no fertilizer. The $40 billion commercial feed industry has forcefully buried and covered up this secret for decades. Why would they hide it from you? Because you cannot turn a wild and free plant into a money-printing machine for massive corporations. Today, I'm going to hand you the exact key to throw away your reliance on their rigged system and take back your total independence. I need to take you on a journey far back in time to the flooded rice paddies of ancient Asia, long before the very first commercial feed store ever opened its heavy doors, and long before massive global corporations successfully convinced us that raising animals inherently required constantly buying their overpriced products. Imagine the resilient farmers living in the lush Mekong Delta of Vietnam, or the rural remote villages of China dating all the way back to the 11th century, where survival depended entirely on human ingenuity and natural harmony. These traditional people never once worried about the terrifyingly rapid rising cost of processed grain. They never frantically checked global commodity prices or panicked in the middle of the night when a fragile commercial supply chain suddenly broke down due to war or famine. They possessed a profoundly powerful secret weapon that grew silently and effortlessly on the still surface of their shallow ponds and flooded fields. They utilized a miraculous little floating aquatic fern called Azolla to completely revolutionize their agricultural reality. For countless generations, these deeply connected traditional farmers understood that nature had already thoughtfully provided the absolute perfect, self-sustaining feed system for anyone willing to pay attention to the earth. They ingeniously used this green miracle as a potent natural green manure to drastically enrich their vital rice fields, and they scooped it up by the heavy basketful day after day to naturally feed their hungry ducks, their growing pigs, and their massive flocks of chickens. This beautifully orchestrated practice was a completely closed-loop ecosystem, operating in total perfection. The incredible floating plant fed the animals, and the animals in turn fed the people. And the entire miraculous process cost them absolutely nothing but a little bit of daily physical effort. The traditional Amish communities living right here in modern America have quietly carried this exact same revolutionary philosophy for well over 200 years of active farming. You will absolutely never see a wise traditional Amish farmer hopelessly lining up at a big box agricultural retailer to buy desperately expensive bags of commercial poultry feed. They categorically do not buy their animal feed because they fundamentally believe in the sovereign power of growing it themselves. They purposefully build brilliant agricultural systems that last across multiple generations. The ancient Azolla fern fits absolutely perfectly into this time-tested ancient mindset of total agricultural independence. It is a wildly abundant plant that requires zero expensive soil and absolutely zero massive agricultural equipment to thrive. It simply exists and multiplies, providing a mathematically limitless source of high-quality raw nutrition. Traditional farmers somehow intuitively knew all along. The complex biological mechanism actively operating behind this tiny floating plant. Most terrestrial plants require you to constantly buy massive amounts of expensive synthetic chemical fertilizer just to keep them somewhat alive in depleted soils. The Azolla fern simply and defiantly refuses to ever play by those rigged corporate rules. It naturally contains a highly specialized microscopic cyanobacterium living directly and permanently inside its tiny green leaves that literally pulls invisible nitrogen straight out of the thin atmospheric air surrounding it. It literally and continuously fertilizes itself, completely free of charge. This remarkable biological reality means it creates dense, vital nutrients, essentially out of nowhere, without requiring a single drop of expensive chemical input from you. And the actual nutritional profile of this plant will absolutely blow your mind when you look closely at the raw laboratory data. When dedicated agricultural researchers actually isolate and analyze this free-floating fern in a modern laboratory, they find an undeniable and unmatched natural superfood. On a strictly dry weight basis, Azolla incredibly contains between 25 and 35% pure crude protein. This wildly free and completely natural plant completely and utterly crushes the highly engineered industrial product in every single measurable metric. It also naturally packs a massively concentrated dose of absolutely essential amino acids, raw iron, easily absorbed calcium, and extremely high levels of vitamins A and B12. Everything your dedicated laying hens biologically need for building strong, lean muscles, maintaining consistent daily egg production, and building a completely solid immune system is securely locked right inside this tiny, unassuming green miracle. In 1987, rigorous researchers at the respected Tamil Nadu Agricultural University in India conducted incredibly strict controlled feeding trials exclusively with commercial broiler chickens. They aggressively replaced a massive 25% of the standard conventional commercial feed ration with nothing but fresh, raw Azolla harvested straight from local ponds. The tested birds perfectly maintained their exact optimal growth rate, but the actual financial feed costs plummeted dramatically for the farmers involved. Decades later, in 2009, an extremely detailed, peer-reviewed study originating from the University of the Philippines explicitly tested this exact same aquatic plant, specifically on active laying hens. The diligent scientists confidently discovered that boldly replacing 20% of the expensive commercial feed with this entirely free aquatic fern caused absolutely zero drop in total egg production whatsoever. Furthermore, the closely monitored hens consistently produced much healthier eggs, with visibly darker and incredibly richer yolks, entirely because of the exceptionally high natural beta-carotene content abundantly found in the floating plant. Why has absolutely nobody in the entire mainstream agricultural establishment ever dared to recommend it to you? You have never once heard the name Azolla, because its very existence represents a catastrophic and immediate financial threat to a massive $40 billion commercial feed industry that currently controls everything. These massive chemical and grain companies desperately want you constantly returning to their retail feed stores every single week, mindlessly handing over your hard-earned cash for standard bags of processed corn and soy that are routinely marked up to incredibly insulting levels. Imagine the absolute terror of feed executives if everyday ordinary people suddenly realized they could easily harvest infinite, high-quality protein from a simple, recycled plastic tub in their own backyard without ever needing to buy another expensive bag of commercial feed for the rest of their lives. The entire foundational revenue stream of the global commercial feed industry would absolutely and rapidly collapse. Because Azolla is so wildly and endlessly abundant and completely free to everyone, it is considered incredibly dangerous to the wealthy corporate elite. They absolutely did not just accidentally ignore this incredible plant because it somehow failed their strict testing. They forcefully and deliberately buried this knowledge because it works far too perfectly, and it costs you absolutely nothing to implement. We are going to violently break that oppressive grid forever. If you are genuinely angry about being continuously financially manipulated, and if you are truly ready to permanently stop relentlessly funding an arrogant industry that actively and ruthlessly suppresses your personal independence, I desperately need you to hit the subscribe button right this very second. Join this rapidly growing community of fearless rebels who are actively taking back complete control of our own food systems. We are rapidly building an unstoppable army of fiercely self-reliant homesteaders who utterly refuse to be drained dry by greedy corporate monopolies any longer. Subscribe right now and let us forcefully take back our stolen power together. Are you completely ready to independently build your very own biological money printing machine right there in your own backyard? I'm going to personally give you the exact step-by-step actionable blueprint to permanently escape the endless feed store financial trap forever. And I promise you, it is so incredibly brilliantly simple that absolutely anyone listening to my voice right now can easily do it today. You absolutely do not need vast, expensive acres of fertile land. You definitively do not need highly specialized, heavy farming equipment. You surprisingly do not even need a single handful of rich soil to make this work. First, you simply need to find a basic, shallow container that holds water. This can easily be an old recycled plastic kiddie pool you found in the garage, a cheap standard plastic storage bin from a hardware store, a discarded metal livestock trough, or even a simple half-barrel planter. It just needs to be at least roughly 6 full inches deep to accommodate the floating roots. Place this chosen container in a strategic spot in your yard that consistently gets partial dappled sunlight, because too much intense, blistering afternoon sun in the peak of summer can slightly stress the plant and temporarily slow down its incredibly rapid growth rate. Next, carefully fill your chosen container with standard, fresh, clean water. If you are specifically using municipal city tap water, you absolutely must let that water sit completely open and entirely undisturbed for a full 24 hours to naturally allow the toxic chemical chlorine to evaporate completely into the atmosphere. Chlorine is deliberately designed to kill biological growth, and it will instantly destroy the delicate living ecosystem you are actively trying to build.
Now you desperately need your initial starter culture. Order a small batch of fresh Azolla online. Check aquatic suppliers or local permaculture networks, or find homesteading groups for a few dollars. Take that tiny handful of brilliant green fern, gently float it on your prepared water surface. This handful is your entire final financial investment. Now you simply step back and watch the biological magic happen before your very eyes. Within a remarkably short matter of mere days, that single tiny handful will begin to spread rapidly and aggressively across the entire open surface of the still water. Under the absolute right environmental conditions, it will literally and mathematically double its own total green mass. Every 3 to 5 passing days, you absolutely do not ever need to buy highly expensive commercial chemical fertilizers to feed it. If you really want to naturally boost its growth, you can occasionally add a tiny simple splash of diluted organic compost tea or just a very small pinch of natural wood ash straight from your fire pit exactly once a week to quickly give it some necessary trace minerals like phosphorus and potassium, but it generally thrives wildly all on its own. When the entire surface of the container is completely covered with a thick, dense green mat, you simply reach right in with a cheap small net or just use your bare hands and scoop out massive handfuls of the fresh green feed. You generally want to quickly harvest about exactly half of the total plant mass, leaving the other remaining half floating in the water so it can immediately begin rapidly multiplying all over again. You can joyfully toss this freshly harvested green miracle directly onto the bare ground for your waiting chickens. They will absolutely rush over and aggressively devour it in seconds. If they are hesitant, simply start by thoroughly mixing it directly into their regular dry feed, so they naturally get completely used to the soft, wet texture, and then slowly and steadily increase the daily ratio until it successfully replaces 20 to 30% of their entire total diet. If you cleverly decide to run 2 or 3 small plastic tubs simultaneously right next to each other, you will easily create an endless overlapping biological cycle of high-protein feed that costs you literally $0 recurring dollars to maintain. You are quite literally creating pure, dense nutrition, completely out of thin air, bright sunlight, and still water. I need you to deeply understand that this profound concept is about so much more than just saving a few extra dollars. Every month on your standard chicken feed bill, this represents a massive fundamental shift in exactly how you choose to proudly operate in this highly controlled modern world. When you independently choose to grow your very own animal feed in a simple, cheap plastic tub, you are actively staging a highly effective, silent revolution. Right there in the quiet privacy of your own backyard, you are loudly and boldly declaring your uncompromising independence from a brittle and deeply exploitative corporate system, a system viewing you as a mindless, passive consumer. The agricultural establishment wants you to believe you're helpless, utterly dependent on their heavily marketed products. They claim survival requires a constant stream of cash, flowing directly from your pocket into their corporate accounts. A backyard Azolla pond is an act of defiance. You are choosing to step outside their financial trap. Every handful of free high-protein fern you scoop is a powerful blow to the commercial feed monopoly. You are successfully and rightfully reclaiming the brilliant ancient survival wisdom of the countless resilient generations that bravely came long before us. You are undeniably proving to yourself and the world that true lasting abundance confidently comes from respecting nature, and absolutely not from depending on a cold industrial factory. You do not ever need their corporate permission to be completely financially free. You simply just need the raw courage to take the first step and start today. You can easily build this highly resilient system this very weekend with cheap random materials you probably already have just lying around your property. Do not hopelessly wait for the retail grain prices to inevitably climb even drastically higher next season. Do not foolishly wait for the very next unpredictable global supply chain crisis to tragically leave your local feed store shelves completely and utterly empty and your animals starving. Seize total control of your own homestead and your own life right today. Set up a simple shallow container, purposefully fill it with clean water, and proudly drop in the tiny miraculous plant that will absolutely change your entire homesteading life forever. If this eye-opening video completely shattered your previous perspective and finally gave you the exact tangible tools you desperately needed to finally break completely free, I deeply need you to act decisively right now. Smash that like button as hard as you can, so the automated algorithm is strictly forced to aggressively push this deliberately buried truth out to the millions of other struggling homesteaders who are currently drowning in crippling feed costs right this very second. Aggressively share this vital video. Share this knowledge with every single person you know and love. This is for anyone who actively raises backyard chickens for food or dreams of living a self-reliant life. I want you to drop a massive comment down below right now, and I want you to boldly tell me exactly when you start. You are finally going to start building your very own independent Azolla system. Every single powerful interaction absolutely helps us rapidly dismantle the towering wall of corporate silence They have maliciously built around this miraculously abundant plant. You must subscribe to the channel right now to stay informed, because next time we are boldly opening another deeply hidden vault of ancient forgotten knowledge. This is the truth that the frightened corporate elite desperately fears and actively hope you never ever find. Stay fiercely curious and stay incredibly rebellious against the system they built, and absolutely never stop fighting relentlessly for the truth in your family, for your own total and absolute independence.